Now, for the 2 p.m., we have UP Lady Maroons and the NU Lady Bulldogs. Now, Yami, what are the chances of UP, still making it to the semifinals?
Ito na lang, kailangan talaga nilang manalo dun sa last 2 games nila. Very crucial, especially itong game this coming Sunday talaga. And kailangan talaga nila mas maging aggressive. At ang kinina talaga, like atin to, kasi ito yung pwedeng makapag-ano sa kanila into Final Four din eh. Kasi sayang din yung nasimulan nila kung hindi rin natin tatapusin din talaga ng all-out tayo.
Totoo yan. I do agree. Sabi ko nga sa'yo kanina, Tiami, na it's their time na eh. Andiyan na lahat. Nakalatag na lahat.
And they've been peaking since the previous season.
Yeah. They have to claim it lang. Andiyan na. And I want to talk about Tots Carlos. As a team captain, she's been there, pero she needs to really give everything then to show her teammates, I'm gonna give it all. Para madala niya yung team niya. And so far, she has high percentage of spiking. When you give her the ball, mapapatay niya. Pero she needs to really bring together the team and claim every victory.
And talking about that, yun nga, si Tots Carlos, talagang mapa-opposite, mapa-open spiker, di ba? But yung leadership na lang siguro, para buong team talaga, nag-gel, maramdaman.
Kasi kung may teammate ka na parang nagpapakamatay, syempre madadala ka rin. Parang, uy, sige na nga, laro na rin ako. Kasi nakaka-inspire kung nakita mo yung teammate mo, ginagawa lahat. You wanna work that hard also.
Yeah, that's true. How about si Tiami, you chose Dorog and Nierva? Why?
Justin Dorog. For me, ngayon, ginamit din siya na for defense, diba? Ginamit siyang for libero. And transition na naman yun kasi for her. Dati libero siya, and then ginawa mo siyang spiker. Pero yung pagiging consistent niya rin eh. Mapa-defense, mapa-offense. Kasi talagang, siguro siya na yung pinaka-consistent player na nagpa-perform talaga for now sa UP. Isa Molde got injured. Diba, malaking bag. Mahirap mawala ng player.
Yung change din.
It really need to step up din talaga.
How about for you, Phil? You also included NU's Audrey Paran. Bakit si Audrey?
Because I think I'm proud of her na she was my teammate before sa PVL. And nung na-meet ko siya, bata pa siya, nene pa siya. Pero sobrang lakas niyang pumalo. Pero minsan outside, minsan not over. Pero ngayon, seeing her play, I'm so proud as an ate. Kasi nga, parang nakita ko yung maturity niya. And now, nakapag-take lead na siya sa team niya. Kung kailangan mo ng score, punta ako, setan mo siya, makakapalo siya. And makita mo talaga yung power and control na nagka-control siya sa palo niya.
Now, speaking of, the next woman up, we also have Marian Buitre, who stood up for Isa Molde when she was injured. Can we talk about, how she was really there ready to fill in those shoes? Yami?
Ito na lang, Marian Buitre, ever since, lahat ng posisyon na laro na niya. Middle, opposite, and open spiker.
Except setter, libero.
Pero napakahirap nun. Every year nagpapalit ka, tapos in the middle of the season, bigla kang gagawin na ganito, na ganyan. Yun na lang yun eh. Nawalan ng isang player na sobrang nagko-contribute sa team. Kailangan niyang kunin na, okay, bigay mo sa akin. Kailangan ko mag-perform kahit galing ako ng bench. Di ba? Medyo mahirap din
all
yun. Kasi nawawalan ka ng parang chance, kumpiyansa na lang sa sarili na, galing akong bench, pagpasok ko, makakontribute ba ako?
Pero malakas siya pumalo. Nakita siya pumalo, ang bilis. Gano'n, galakas din siya.
And can we talk about how NU's rookies, I mean, they're a rookie-laden team, but how they played this whole season, they weren't really the bottom dwellers, but you saw them fight hard to get to where they are now. Phil, what are your...
That's true. You can't take them out. They bite. The Bulldogs, they bite. Kaya ang daming na-upset nilang teams, diba? So, kahit rookies sila, alam mo naman pag rookies, palaban, nothing to lose. We're here. I'm here. This is my dream to play in the UAAP. And they've shown it, diba? And you can't really just, parang, sige, NU lang yan. Pero you have to really prepare for them. Kasi nga, they're rookie players, and they want to win. Kahit sinong team gusto mag-champion.
So do you think mga 5-setters tayo for this weekend?
Oo naman.
Gusto ko!
Wala naman imposible talaga yung gugustuhin nila eh. And yun na nga, wala imposible din na sa ginagawa ni Nierva dun sa performance na rin sa NU, diba? Na naalala ko nga, nakita ko yata sa article yung naiiyak siya. Kasi di ba hindi daw siya sanay matalo or what. Pero stepping up pa rin. Na kahit anong mangyari, manalo matalo, maglalaro pa rin ako.